Every time you touch your phone, you're not alone. What if I told you that tiny, unseen life forms are constantly living, eating, and even multiplying on its surface? Prepare to have your mind blown as we zoom in on the microscopic world thriving right in your pocket. Your phone's surface is a surprisingly vibrant ecosystem you carry everywhere. From skin bacteria to environmental spores, it becomes a bustling city between swipes. Here is the initial shock. Up close, these microbes form films, colonies, and traffic lanes on glass. Every touch, breath, and surface adds new residents. This is your extended personal microbiome, not just on you, but on what you touch. It reflects your routines and environments. From commute to kitchen to workout, each swipe trades microbes, a living signature of your day. Most are harmless, many are helpful, and some deserve respect. Simple habits shape this ecosystem. Clean screens, clean hands. Your choices guide what thrives and what doesn't. Stay curious, stay informed, and maybe give that screen a clean. Your digital microbial jungle is alive.